Is it possible for Canva? Yes, it's possible. Just follow the simple way. Open Canva. Click Create a design at the top left here. Click here on this icon. Now, you may click any of these icons, following the cursor at the top. Select Photos from Elements or upload any from here. Arrange the pictures like this. Now hold Shift from your keyboard and select the photos. Now click right button of your mouse and then click Group to group the pictures. After that, click and hold any corner and drag the mouse like this to size your pictures. Click Elements. Then click Shapes and take a circle, make the circle width and height mentioned here. Now change the circle color to white, like this way. After that, duplicate the circle. Click and hold left button of your mouse and drag it to this position like this. Now duplicate page according to your pictures. Now change the time duration for all pages, minimum 2 seconds. Place the pictures on each page from the pictures on the other pages and arrange them like this. That is, one picture on page number 1, another picture on page number 2, another different picture on page number 3, another different picture on page number 4, and so on. Remember, you have to hold Shift key from your keyboard for moving picture from right to left for each page. Now apply the transition for all pages in this simple way. And finally poly to enjoy your creation. Please comment below about this tutorials. Thanks.